there's one thing I love at Disney Springs. It's a school concert. And the Marketplace stage, well, they provide some surprising options.
Perry Hall High School Guitar Ensemble from Perry Hall, Maryland, under the direction of Christian King. Please give a warm Marketplace stage welcome to Perry Hall High School Guitar Ensemble.
spent her vacation keeping an eye on the grandkids, but she'll check on your comments soon. If you like this video, why not give it a big thumbs up? That way you can show your support for me and these teens. And if you like this kind of video and you'd like to see more, why not subscribe? It's free. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button down below. But remember, when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.